Alright, going to run this mini here for bread. First gets 2, second 1, and 10th gets 2. Edit, copy. It is 602. Paste the 10 names on the list. Roll the dice. 9 times, 6 and 3. 603, look at there. 9 times. Good luck, guys. 603 just changed. After 8 times, you got Brian on top. 603. The dice is 9. Last and final time. Jim in the 1 spot. John in the 2 spot. And Dan in that 10 spot. So Jim and Dan gets 2 if I remember correctly. John gets 1 if I remember correctly. It is 603, about to be 604. There's 9. Show the list again. We are done. Might be 603.